Welcome back, Wisdomers. In this lesson, we will master the hierarchy of headings from H1 to H6. HTML supports exactly 6 levels of headings. The syntax is simple. The letter H followed by a number from 1 to 6. Now let's consider the following heading elements from H1 to H6 with text between the opening and closing tags and also the final outputs of each element on the screen. Let's observe the most obvious difference between the heading outputs from H1 through H6, which is the visual size. As the number increases from 1 to 6, the font size decreases. H1 is the giant main title and H6 is the smallest. But here is the critical question. Why does HTML give us 6 specific levels? Why not just 1? To understand this, look at this sample article on Introduction to HTML. A web page is like a book or a newspaper. It needs structure to be readable. The heading elements in this web page will help us in creating that structure. The H1 heading is like the book title. It tells you what the entire page is about. There is usually only one H1 heading per page. Introduction to HTML is that one title that describes what this page is about. The H2 headings acts like a chapter name. It starts a major topic. The two H2 headings, role of HTML in web development and what are HTML elements, are the two major topics in this web page. When we encounter another H2 later in the page, our brain instantly recognizes a new main topic has started. Inside that chapter, we use H3 headings for subsections. And if we need even more detail, we step down to H4, H5, and H6. This hierarchy doesn't just make the page look organized, it tells search engines like Google how to read your content. In our next class, we will uncover the default properties of HTML elements. If you learned something new, hit the like button and subscribe to our Digital Product Architect channel. If you have any questions regarding this concept, please post your question in the comment section. For quizzes and assignments on heading hierarchy, visit our website. The link is in the description. See you in the next class.